Kia ora everybody. Right, continuing with our series of mini videos. Harvesting. So we're not going to go into great detail because there is a video already on YouTube and inside the Weaver's Circle on everything around harvesting, including the tikanga and all those sort of things. This is just really a quick one for those who don't know anything at all. Especially if you don't live in New Zealand or don't have access to New Zealand flax. So this is a pretty bog standard, sorry to say, a lovely harakeke bush. This is, by the way, the number 12. This is the fully grown one of the number 12 that I was weaving with that kite the other day, in case any of you wondering. This is a mature bush. The leaves from the other day were from a young new bush. Maybe that's why they were purple, I don't know. So these definitely do not look purple. Anyway, so Jeff, hello, got the knife out, and we're using one of those Stanley knives, so we can change the blades in between bushes. So if there is a disease on it, we do not transfer it over. So I mean, these are very clean and there's no disease on these. It's just good practice anyway, and plus the blades are always nice and sharp. And we always start by taking off all the dead leaves on the outside, or at least part of it, so we have some room to work with, and cut them nice and low. So the reason why we also cut the dead leaves off is and take them away, that's the important bit, so we do not create any nice nests for insects and diseases to grow in. So that's part of it. And then we take them away, either to a composting facility, or if we're at home, we actually shred them and put them somewhere else in the garden. Most commercial composters don't accept harakeke waste because it wrecks their machines. So here where we are, there's a big bin that we put them in, and then they get taken away. Right, and then when we have room, so there you go. So then we cut the actual green leaves, and we cut the outside ones, and we never cut the middle three. So the middle three being the baby in the middle, the rito, and then the parents on either side of it. Hang on, I just zoom out a little bit. Take your head out of the way, sorry. So this is the...
Do this one.
So this is the rito here. Right, and then where Jeff's hand is, on the left and on the right of the rito, are the awhi rito. So those are the parents, and we never cut those. We may cut the other ones on the outside. Sometimes we even leave those if it's a really big bush and we want to just give it a little bit of support. But if you were to clean a whole bush through, so you leave these three standing on each fan and then cut the rest. And that's pretty much it. And then we do the whole bush. And that's it. Happy weaving, everybody.